Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. I have found a set of chairs that are gorgeous. Wow, I truly love this Devoko set of chairs. They're so adorable in the dining room setting. And since it's a small living space, the fourth chair is an amazing complement in the bedroom as a desk or makeup chair. The chairs are just perfect height for my table and are comfy to sit in just for a bite to eat. I love that they come in this pretty blue, but also fun colors as sunny yellow, red, silver, gun gray, and black. I feel that the distressed look is so perfectly balanced here, and it gives these chairs a unique look from top to bottom. It's a great style for indoor and outdoor, and I just love it. So whether you're looking for kitchen chairs, office chairs, or outside for your porch, these set of four are beautiful. They come in gorgeous colors. I highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.